before the world below begins to move. The mountains are already awake. Clouds drift quietly between ancient peaks. Morning has not arrived. It is gently unfolding. You stand above the valleys, where silence stretches farther than your eyes can see. Take nothing with you. Not yesterday. Not tomorrow. Only this breath. Only this mountain. Only this moment. Text. A narrow stone path leads gently upward. Each step becomes lighter. The air is cool, fresh, clear. Clouds move slowly around you, sometimes revealing green terraces, sometimes hiding them again. There is no need to see the entire journey, only the next step, only this breath. The mountain has never rushed, yet it has reached toward the sky. For centuries, perhaps strength has never been about moving faster. Perhaps strength is learning to move without resistance. First rays of sunlight touch the highest peaks. Golden light spreads across ancient stone. The clouds glow softly. Everything feels alive, yet perfectly still. Notice what happens inside your body. Your breathing slows, your shoulders soften. The muscles you forgot were tense finally let go. The mountain asks nothing from you. It does not ask you to prove yourself, to achieve more, to become someone else. It simply welcomes you exactly as you are. Continue climbing, But with curiosity, the clouds become brighter. The sky opens a little more with every step. Soon, you reach the highest terrace. The world stretches endlessly in every direction. Mountains, clouds, sky, all meeting without borders. You realize how small your worries have become. Not because they disappeared, because your perspective changed. Some thoughts were never meant to be carried forever. Watch them drift away like clouds floating through the valley. No need to hold them. No need to follow them. Simply watch until they disappear beyond the horizon. Feel the sunlight warming your face. Feel the cool